In the heavens, something happened to me. There is something odd like you want to see. It's just a photograph of someone that I need. And you see my wife, Mr. Jones. Do you know what's like on the side there? Don't go talking to your closer lightly, Mr. Jones. I come straining my ears to the sound. Maybe someone